At the Natural Materials Lab, we are investigating radically low carbon earth and fiber based materials. In this paper, in this research, we investigated specifically fiber based composites that are binded with earth materials and biopolymers to create textures that resemble rope or yarn like aesthetics that can echo traditional basketry elements, informing building artifacts that are crafted through weaving techniques. This study explores the integration of digital fabrication with traditional weaving using these low carbon earth and natural fibers. We created vessels that are inspired by basketry, and the idea was to leverage digital fabrication to reimagine ancient materials. This research aims to foster a deeper connection between constructed forms and our relationship with the soil as the essential stewardship required for our survival, and the resulting artifacts showcase novel fusions of material surface patterns crafted through line deposition, embodying traditional inspirations in sustainable digital design.